energetic naman ako, baby. Bago tayo mag-start, may tatanong po na si ate, sino sa inyo ang magaling mag-dance? Raise hands. Ayaw pa madami pala. Sige po, dance po muna tayo bago tayo mag-start ng ating arts and crafts. Stand up po muna. Stand up po tayo. Okay, ma. Gayahin niyo po si Ate Arlene at si Ate Ivy. Music, please. March. Wash your tummy, wash your bottom.
Shake your hands, shake your feet.
March.
One more time. Touch your tummy, touch your bottom. Shake your hands, shake your feet.